Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to do a little Sicily, a little Italiano, from the mainland. Oh my God, it's going to be, this is called Spiedini. Spiedini. Isn't that sound neat, Spiedini? Yeah. What that is, it's skewers, okay? It's chicken on skewers. Spiedini, they call it, right? In fact, where I got this from is I got a buddy of mine that I went to school with. His name was Vinny the Skewer. That's what we used to call him because he loved this. He made it every Sunday along with the meatballs. I said, geez, we start calling him Vinny the Skewer. And we start thinking about that. I said, when we introduced him to people, the Skewer didn't sound so safe. So we just start calling him Vinny Spiedini. And it's funny, it's Vinny Spiedini all these years. I don't even know what Vinny's last name is. Now I just call him Vinny Spiedini. You know what I mean? So here we go. In fact, I'm going to show you something. These are the skewers in English, and these are called Spiedini, right? Isn't that something? I'm going to take you around the horn now, right? Okay, so down here, this is Italian parsley. That's right, it's called pezzimolo. Pezzimolo, and I got it all chopped up for you. And then over here is some garlic. And in Italian, it's aglio, that's right. Then over here, we have some lemon zest. It's scorza di limone. Scorza di limone. Maron, that sounds romantic today. Scorza di limone. Oh, we're going downtown. It sounds so romantic, you know what I mean? And then over here, we have some breadcrumbs. These are Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, and these are called briciole di pane. Briciole di pane. Yeah, briciole di pane. That's right, in Italian. Then, of course, we have the chicken right there, and it's called pollo. Pollo in Italian. That's right. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my mixture that I did. It's a marinade. You'll find all these ingredients and how to do the marinade in description. And I'll also give you all of the ingredients, sizes of things, and cups and teaspoons and stuff in description, okay? So what I'm going to do is right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix up the breadcrumbs. That's right, the breadcrumbs right here. Briciole di pane. Briciole di pane. And then I'm going to put some Parmesan. I didn't tell you about the Parmesan. It's the Parmesan cheese. How do you say that in Italian? A Parmesan. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the Parmesan in, just like so. Then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to get the scorza di limone, right there, scorza di limone. That's the lemon zest. And I'm going to put that in, like so. I think that's about it on that. And then I'm going to get the garlic, the aglio. Aglio, yeah, it's the garlic. This is granulated. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in, like so. I love garlic. We won't put all of it. We'll put about that much in. And you'll see the amounts in the description. And then we got of course, the Italian parsley, which is the pezzimolo. Pezzimolo, it's nicely chopped. I'm not going to put all of this in because I'm saving it for later for a garlic. No, it's not garlic. I'm sorry. It is butter lemon with pezzimolo. And it's going to be a drizzle that goes over the skewers, right? You're going to love it. So I'll go ahead and put some of this in like that. Look at that. We'll go ahead and put it. Oh, my goodness, that looks great, doesn't it? So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a spoon to stir this up. Don't go nowhere. Okay, while you were away, I went and got my whisk, and I got my gloves on for this particular thing. It reminds me of the doctor's office. The doctor goes, okay, ready to get going. Ooh, that's scary. Ouch. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and stir this stuff up now. Come on in. Okay, we're just going to give it a nice little stir. Look at that pezzimolo in there. Oh my God, and the garlic and all those great ingredients and the Parmigiano cheese and oh my goodness, oh my gosh, oh this is so great. And we're just gonna go do this, that's it, okay? Look at that, look how beautiful let me go. I gotta do this, you gotta stay with me guys. Oh my God. You smell it? Smell it? Huh? Yeah, that's great. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do some a little dipping in here, and we're going to take our pollo, put them in here, toss them around, and then I'm going to put them on my pizza pan, and then after that, we're going to go and get the spiedini. What? Huh? Oh, you forgot. Oh, what? Skewers. Yes, that's right. Oh, you know English. Okay. So we'll put those and get those ready for in a second. So let's go ahead and start, okay? So, by the way, this chicken that I have here, the Pollo, is chicken breasts and chicken thighs. Okay, so I go ahead and put it. So I just mixed it together. You'll see it when I show you what I cut up. I cut it all up and got it all ready for you, and then I covered it and put it in the refrigerator. And I think that's it for right now. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just do this, okay? Just look at that, just like this. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's nicely covered. Again, we'll go put it over here like this, okay? Just like that. Look how beautiful that looks. There we go. Remember, I'm using chicken breasts and chicken thighs, okay? You can use whatever you want, but this is what I choose to use in my Pollo, my Spiedini, my Skewers. There, look how gorgeous that looks. Look at that pezzimolo in there, you know, the Italian parsley. That just looks so wonderful. It's going to be good. And then I got to put them on the skewer. Right. All right, it's time for the skewers, the Spiedini. I'm going to go ahead and put it on there. See how good I do. Come on and get tighter, okay? So we just go ahead and just thread them, just like so. And you can just do as many as you want. Leave some spaces in between so that everything gets done, okay? And we'll put this one like so, like that, just like that. And we'll do one more on the end. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then I'll just put that. Whoops, let me just redo that one right there. It's looked a little precarious. Okay, so that's nice like that. Let me do one more here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do all of these for you on camera. You guys know how to do this. My God. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and get this set up. And what's going to happen is after this, we're going to go on over to the stovetop. And we're going to put them in our pan with a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. And let them get going. What do you think about that? Okay, so I'll see you in just a couple minutes over at the stovetop. Don't go nowhere. All right, thanks for joining me over at the stovetop. As you can see, I got the skewers, the Spiedini right here, and the Pollo, right? And then I got a little oil in the pan. I'm heating it up. And we're going to go ahead and put them in. It's going to take a little bit to cook. We're going to turn them 160 degrees on the chicken. Don't forget, okay? And we'll go ahead and put them in. Come on in, okay? I'll just push. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? All right, let's go ahead and let them simmer like that. Then we're going to go in and turn them. So don't miss this. Okay, look beautiful, doesn't it? I'm going to go ahead and turn them now. You want to come on in and watch me do that? Okay. Right now I can use my fingers. Woo! Look at that. I can't use my fingers. Can't do it. It hurts. Wow. There we go. What do you want me to say? I ain't got anything to say. Bella. Bella means beautiful. Let's let them cook for a little bit. Remember, they got to be at 160. Those look so gorgeous. And the aroma. Maron. Okay. And while we're there, I'm going to come over here and try this one. As you can see, the temperature varies across the board, okay? Oh, we're going good there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take one or two of these off, let the rest go ahead and get up the temperature, and I'll meet you back at the island for a little beauty shot. And I got a little surprise for you when you get there. Look, Vinny Spiedini. Like I said, I still don't know what his last name is. Hey, Maron, this is for you, my brother. Vinny Spiedini. Look at this. This is, oh, look at how gorgeous this looks. Come on down here. I'm going to show you. Look at this. And this is the little surprise I had for you. A little bit of pasta. Look at this. This is friselli. Friselli. Well, see this on top of there? Those are just little tiny bits of sun-dried, red sun-dried tomatoes. That's right. So now, before I do anything, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to mix in, I'm putting in lemon, my lemon, butter, and that's going to go over the spiedini, and it's going to go over the pasta. Whoa, it's going to go over the pasta. What'd you go there? Okay, so if you want to come on in here, I'll go ahead and do the pasta first. I'll show you that, okay? So this is all nicely mixed. You get it just like this. You just drizzle it over just like this. On that lemon in there is going to kick your butt too, okay? Just like so, okay? Just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and go over here, and I'm going to drizzle it over the spiedini. Look at that. Look at how nice that looks. Just like so. And on the bottom here, just a little bit right there, a little bit right there, just a touch more. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to come over here and get some basil in Italian. Basilico. Basilico. I used to have to go down to the garden, especially on Sundays when we made sauce, meatballs. My mother would say, hey, go downstairs, get the basilico. I'm going, what's that, Ma? Get over here, you know what it is, it's basil. So we used to grow it in the garden. So I'm going to go ahead and top that. Where's that going to go, folks? It's going to go on top of here, on top of the jelly, right on top, just like so. Okay, there you go, a little bit of basilico. And then on top of that, not finished yet, a little Parmesan cheese. Look at that, come on in. Put this, oh. And I got to tell you, tell me about it. Look it. This is a treasure, huh? It's a treasure. From Vito's Italian Cuisine, Spiedini. Spiedini, a little bit of pasta. Remember, it's Vinny, Spiedini. Spiedini means skewers, okay? Thanks for joining us today. Go to vitositaliancucina.com or on YouTube at Vito's Italian Cucina. Please subscribe. We sure love you here. Thanks for joining our family. A ciao for now. Arrivederci.